The Mate 20 is the smaller of the two smartphones launched by Huawei this week, but with an RRP of €800, that's more than $900, this is not exactly a budget phone. So is it worth it? Let's find out in our first hands-on review. Huawei Mate 20 is certainly not what you would call small, at least not physically. At 6.53 inches, the HDR IPS display is even a bit larger than the one on the Pro version, although the resolution is only Full HD+. The same 24 megapixel selfie camera can be found above the screen here. The so-called dewdrop notch of the Mate 20, however, is much smaller. Huawei has gone without the more complex sensors for facial recognition to achieve this. Continuing with the camera, the Mate 20 uses a triple camera on the back. We've seen this main 12 megapixel camera on the P20. In addition, as with the Mate 20 Pro, there is a wide-angle camera and a telecamera, but with some limitations in terms of megapixels and focal lengths. Sharp-eyed viewers will have noticed it already, the Mate 20 features a fingerprint sensor on the back, not integrated into the display like on its big brother. The Kirin 980 is in here though, even though the memory of the Mate 20 is 4GB instead of 6GB in the Pro. Internal storage on this one is 128GB, and there is the new memory card format which only Huawei devices support so far. The Mate 20 runs Android 9 Pie with Huawei's own interface EMUI 9 customization. The system runs extremely fast thanks to the potent hardware and is simply fun to use. The battery life should be more than sufficient thanks to a 4000 mAh cell. Charging takes place with up to 22.5 watts, but wireless charging is not supported. Even if the Mate 20 offers a lot of features, for the price it seems a little bit too close to the Pro version. What do you think of the Mate 20? Is that price a deal breaker for you? And are you going to go for the full Mate 20 Pro? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. I've been David for AndroidPIT, thanks for watching.